Was invited to host that event. I've never, I used to host just for friends. Like, I'm not embarrassed because I know all of them, just birthdays of my friends. Children, or I host a wedding for my friends. But this time I was invited to host a little bit bigger than I used to. People will watch, you don't know. But it was good. I met, what's that? Brian Vickery. And yeah, I don't know if you know him, but he seems to be quite known here in New Plymouth. But it was a good Sunday. It was Saturday. So yeah, I was blessed to be able to be invited by Ate Emily to do it. I actually don't want to anymore, but she kept insisting, like, just go, because otherwise no Filipino will. And I think I did all right. I've met lots of people at the backstage. It's always nice to be able to also be part of an event that unites different cultures. And it was such a beautiful Saturday. So I think I'm blessed enough to be able to be a part of it. Yeah, I think that's the only sharing I have. And yeah, we're just happy every day we wake up, me and Jay, feeling so pregnant. Other than just eating and eating and eating. The bump is already showing off and I'm loving it each day. I think I've never been happy. Me and Jay, every time we wake up, like, oh, we can't believe we're here. We're 39, but it's okay. Jay was like, we have to be fit because by the time our baby will be 20 years old, we are like 60. Yeah? So I said, no, okay, after I give birth, I'll join your marathon. So we live longer because we have kids at a later stage already. So that's what we always talk about. We really have to be fit so we live longer. But before we're like, if we die at 65, 70, we're happy. As long as we pay the mortgage, we're happy to go home to heaven. But now that we have, we're blessed with our family now, we're like, oh, we need to be healthy. We have to live longer. Because by the time the baby will be 1, we're already 40. But we're very thankful. I think what we went through is worth it, I must say. I hope we didn't went through it, but now we're just praying that all throughout the pregnancy, everything is fine. So far, all our tests and everything is doing so well. So I praise God. We're very thankful. I hope we were able to thank Him every day enough of how much we are happy every day. So that's my sharing for you this Sunday. Who wants to go next? I think we've called everybody, eh? What time is it? My battery is...
Yeah, we'll do some new songs.
Yeah, we'll sing, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to request Ate Fe to pray for the tithes and offering.